Economics doesn't just describe the world. At its best, it changes how we understand it. And the PhD is where that starts, is where you go from applying other people's frameworks to building your own.
How does a PhD work? The Economics PhD program at UNSW combines rigorous coursework with close, personalized mentorship from world-leading academics. For most students, the program extends across 4 years, beginning with a 1-year Master of Pre-Doctoral Business Studies. In the second year, students will complete 8 elective research courses to deepen their expertise. Finally, in the third and fourth years, students undertake independent, original research and complete their thesis.
What are the entry requirements? Entry into the program requires a 4-year bachelor's degree in a relevant discipline with first class or upper second class honors. Grading systems vary between countries, so if you are not sure where you stand, just email us and we'll help you work it out. If you already have first class honors or a research master's and you've got independent funding lined up, you may be eligible for direct entry into our 3-year PhD stream. Full details on how to apply, key dates and what documents you'll need are all on our website.
So why UNSW? UNSW Sydney is a top 20 global university, and our business school is ranked #1 in Australia for business and management. Our School of Economics is the best academic department in Australia and boasts a global top 40 ranking in economics and econometrics. You won't just be completing a degree. You'll be working alongside leading and top-cited academics who advise governments, central banks, and international organizations. This matters because your supervisor will guide you and help shape your research, your network, and ultimately, your career.
Our graduates hold academic positions at universities across the world, from Oxford and Toulouse to Dartmouth, Melbourne, and Singapore. The PhD also opens doors beyond academia. There's great demand in consulting, government, and the nonprofit sector for graduates with deep research and analytical skills. So whether your goal is a faculty position or a leadership role in the industry, the PhD can help you get there.
The PhD is where you stop studying at the frontier and you start pushing it forward. If that sounds like where you want to be, apply today.